Hi everybody, another day, another phonics lesson. Hope you've been enjoying them. Are you ready? Okay, get nice and warm. Here we go. Bounce my sounds 3 times. Well done. Fantastic. Amazing. You're so good at these sounds. We've practiced over the last few weeks. E, 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 well done. E, 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 well done. A, fantastic. A, amazing. A. Brilliant. We've been practicing those sounds, all of the A sounds and all of the E sounds. And now we're on to the I sounds. Are you ready? My turn, your turn. Tie, tie, pie, pie, lied, lied, tie, pie, lied, witchy voice, lie, pie, tie. Ooh, there's lots of witches out there today. Well done. Ooh, what sound did you hear in those words? Tie, pie, lied. Ooh, it's getting a bit tricky now, this phonics. Oh, have you brought your phoning fingers? Yes, we have. Yes, we have. Show me them. Get them ready. Here we go. My word is lie. First sound. Second sound. Fantastic. My word is pie. First sound. Second sound. What pie do you like? I like apple pie. Do you? You like chicken pie? Rhubarb pie. Oh, lots of pies out there that we can enjoy. My word is untie. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fourth sound. Brilliant. Untie. Untie. I asked my mum to untie my scarf. Brilliant. My word is fried. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. Fourth sound. Brilliant. I fried my chicken in a pan. Oh, tricky one now. Try it on your own. The word is necktie. I like to wear a necktie. I think I've got it. I'm going to give you a few more seconds. Necktie. If you get it right, you can give yourself a popcorn clap today. Are you ready? Necktie. I, necktie. It has 5 sounds in it. Pop, 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 popcorn clap. Put your popcorn away. I'm going to be a robot. You are going to be? Brilliant. You're going to be a blender. Here we go. I. Lied. Tries. Brilliant. Tries. I. Untie. Amazing. Flies. Flies. Brilliant. Flies. Flies. Denied. Well done. Denied. Denied. Brilliant blending today, everybody. Now you're going to be a robot. Show me your robot arms. Remember, 1 robot arm per sound. Your word is pie. Brilliant. Lie. Amazing. Spies. Well, I don't know if the one together, that's a bit tricky. Spies. Spies. Brilliant. One more. Necktie. Amazing. Necktie. You should have got that once we did it with our phoneme fingers. Oh, what sound did you hear in all of those words? We've done tie, pie, lied, untied, spies. Do you think it's an I sound? Do you? Do you think it's IGH? You don't think it's IGH? What other I sounds are there? think you might be right. If you said it's an I and an E that make our I sound, give me a high five. Fantastic. My turn, your turn. Diagraph. Diagraph. 2 letters, 1 sound. I. 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 I said I. Brilliant. Our sound today is I. We are going to read words that have the I sound in them. When we read, what do? Well done. We look at the letters, make the sound, and we blend those sounds together. Here we go. Well done. L-I, lie. You must never lie. Oh, I've got a tricky one now. D-E-N-I-D. Denied. That's really tricky. This is a d, remember? D-E-N-I-D. Denied. Well done. Ready? What does Miss Hulstrom like to eat? Pie. Yes, I do. Next word. Cried. Well done. When I was feeling sad, I cried. 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 Ooh, next word. Are you ready? Tried. Brilliant sounding. Last word. This one's quite tricky. Get yourselves ready. Are you ready? Here we go. Replied. Replied. Fantastic. I replied to an email from Mr. Jackson. Are you ready? What comes next after our reading? You know this by now. It's our writing. Get your paper or your whiteboard and your pen and your pencil ready. Here's mine. We have words that have the I sound in them. Not I-G-H, it's I-E today for the I sound. When we write, what do? Brilliant, well done guys. We say the word, finger the word, and we write the word. Your word is lie. You must never lie. 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 Write it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lie. That was good, wasn't it? That was one that you could all do. Next word, are you ready? Pie. Say it. Pie. Write it. Make sure you're writing your P the right way around. Have you remembered your cursive handwriting? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pie. P-I. Pie. Last word for today. Necktie. It has a tricky K sound in it. I'm going to give you a clue. It's the K sound that is a diagram. So it has 2 letters for the K sound. My word is necktie. 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 N-E-K-T-I. Necktie. I'll give you a bit longer for this one. N-E-K-T-I. Necktie. Bit trickier this one. Thought I'd give you a challenge today. Can you do it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. necktie. Neck has the C and the K that make the K sound. T-I, necktie. Miss Hulstrom is so proud of all of you, and I'm so impressed with the phonics that you are doing with me. Your challenge today, can you write a sentence that has a word that has the I-E sound in it? So my sentence would be, my favourite food is apple pie. Can you write a super sentence? Remember your capital letter, your finger spaces, and your full stop. See you tomorrow, everybody.